is a tutorial that I'm doing on how to add someone as an admin on your business page on Facebook. So as a digital marketer, anything that I ask my client for the first time is that I need access to your Facebook page in order to, do all the things for you, advertise, create ads, post them, create campaigns and whatnot. And sometimes they'll ask me, how do I do that? So here is a quick tutorial. All you have to do is you first have to land on your Facebook business page. So here is mine. And then you will see this menu on the left side. Go to settings. After that, you just have to proceed to the page roles, and page roles are basically assigned to people whom you want to manage your page. For example, on my page here, you can see that these are the different people that have been added and roles have been assigned to them. And when we talk about roles, Facebook has this option to have multiple kind of roles. The admin gets all kinds of access to the page. The editor can only work on the posts. The moderator can moderate the post and he can see what the other people are doing. The advertiser can advertise. The analyst will get access to your page insights, basically just to see how the page is performing. So depending upon what you really want the other person to do, all you have to do is you have to go here and type in the name of the person you would like to give a role to. So for this quick tutorial, I'm giving this role to my brother over here. I'm adding him up as an editor on my page. So once I go to this add option, Facebook will ask me for my password to reconfirm that, no misuse is being made and I am the only one who's being adding the person. So I have sent a request to him. So that guy will receive a request in his notifications over here where he can go and accept it in his personal account. Till the time he does not accept it, it will come as pending in my business page. Once he's accepted it, he'll be on board, and then he'll get the access as an editor to all to do like all kind of different things that he want to do on my page. For example, manage posts, run advertisement campaigns and whatnot. So I hope that this quick tutorial will actually help you and any of you out there who really needs to know how to quickly add people to your page as an admin or other roles. And thank you so much for watching. You can subscribe my channel for more updates. Do like the button and share it if somebody asks you next time that how do you really give a Facebook page access to somebody. Thank you so much. Have a good day.